welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Goods train Kota, Calicut of Konkan railway derails at Ratnagiri. Passengers stranded at railway stations. 8 trains, including 4 on Goa Mumbai route, cancelled. Four militants, 2 Indian Army soldiers killed during encounter in Kashmir. Pakistan violates ceasefire again. Pak Army backing Pak Rangers, villagers leaving homes. GPCC President John removal report creates panic in Congress. Moves to change president. One group claims Louisiana, other group rubbishes report. ACB unearths plot scam in Housing Board. Registers suo motu complaint against Housing Board. Officials and plot purchasers. 6 commercial plot at Kolwai purchased at throwaway prices. And Goans celebrate Konsache Fest across state. Feast of Saint Bartholomew II celebrated with fervour. Catholic brethren in festive mood. Now the news in details. Goods train of Kota, Calicut of Konkan railway derailed en route of Konkan on Sunday. Thousands of passengers were stranded at various railway stations as train had to be cancelled. 8 trains, including 4 on Goa Mumbai route, were cancelled. 7 wagons of the train were carrying a consignment of food grains got derailed at Karanzadi. The entire route of Konkan was blocked till evening.
Kota Calicut train got derailed on the Konkan route in the wee hours of Sunday. It was carrying a consignment of food grains. The train was out of routes at Karanjadi. The goods train was with 7 wagons. Due to derailment, 8 trains had to be cancelled along the route. Thousands of people were stranded at various railway stations. Worst affected were the passengers who were on their way to holiday for Ganesh Chaturthi. Here are the trains which had to be cancelled as the route was blocked. Karmali Shatabdi Premium Special Train, Diva Sawantwadi Passenger Train, Konkan Kanya Express, Jan Shatabdi Express, Dadar Sawantwadi Ganesh Special Train, Lokmanya Tilak Terminus Karmali Express, Margaon Ernakulam Express, Dadar Margaon Passenger Train. Stranded passengers were provided bus services to the alternate railway stations, but for many it wasn't sufficient as the schedule for the day collapsed. Bureau Report, Prudent.
4 militants were killed and 2 Indian Army soldiers were killed in an ongoing encounter in North Kashmir's Kupwara district on Sunday. BSF says that Pakistan has violated 30 ceasefire in last 40 days. Defence Minister Arun Jaitley has said that armed forces and BSF are safeguarding people from both the territories, whereas CM of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, has criticised Modi government. Many of the villagers have opted to leave the village.
बीएसएफ के जवानों का मोराल बहुत हाई है और सीज फायर वायलेशन जो पाकिस्तान कर रहा है उसका मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे रहे हैं, रोज़ दे रहे हैं। पाकिस्तान को बार बार प्रोटेस्ट नोट दिया जा रहा है कि सीज फायर वायलेशन बंद कीजिए, लेकिन पाकिस्तान इसका कोई ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है और हर रात को वो सीज फायर वायलेट कर देता है और हमारी सिविलियन पॉपुलेशन जो पीछे है उसको टारगेट करता है, हमारी यूपीज़ पे भी फायर डालता है और हमारे लड़के मुंह तोड़ जवाब दे रहे हैं। 16 जुलाई से अभी तक 30 टाइम्स पाकिस्तान सीज फायर वायलेट कर चुका है और पाकिस्तान आर्मी उनको बैकअप कर रही है। ये तो बड़ी पास्ट हिस्ट्री ऐसी रही है कि हमेशा पाकिस्तान आर्मी उनके बैकअप में रहती है, रेंजर्स के।
There have been, I have said so yesterday also, I am repeating it, there have been a series of provocations in the last few days, but our armed forces there at the LOC and the BSF at the international border are fully protecting both our territory and our people.
Given the breakdown in communication between India and Pakistan, I don't know how the Narendra Modi government plans to resolve this issue. They promised the people of this country achhe din. The people living along the border are people of this country. They have as much of a right to those achhe din as anybody else.
सर यहाँ पूरी रात लोगों ने जागते निकाली है और क्या नाम यहाँ के दीवारें भी जो है वो हिल गई हैं, काफ़ी नुकसान हुआ है, फसल का काफ़ी नुकसान है।
इधर तो बहुत गोलाबारी चल रही है, इसलिए 4 गायें, 2 गायें और 1 भैंस की मौत हो गई है, इसलिए हम अपना सामान लेके लीडाउन छोड़ के जा रहे हैं।
ACB has unearthed Housing Board land scam. ACB has registered a suo motu complaint against the board officials and 6 plot purchasers in connection with the alert scam in the sale of its commercial plots at Korware. Sources say half of the land has been sold to one of the offshore casino giant operating in Goa. Following the ACB probe, the board has stayed construction on these plots. Watch report.
Seems like the property tales in the housing board are far from getting over. Now, ACB has filed complaint on behalf of the state. Complaint says that 6 individuals brought commercial plots together but at the subsidized housing scheme rates, that is 35,000 rupees per square meters and not the commercial rates. Complaint has also named 2 engineers of the board and the former MD. The individuals were allowed to pay the amount by illegally extending the repayment time limit. Sources say the plots are being purchased by a single person in the names of 6 different individuals. CAG's report has also passed strictures on the board's affairs. ACB has summoned all 6 plot purchasers and has begun the probe. Sources say half of the land has been sold to the owner of one of the offshore casino company in Goa. Following the probe, board has stayed the construction on these plots. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
There is a turmoil within GPCC as word is out that John Fernandez has been dismissed as president of GPCC. Currently, there are different opinions on this information. One group said new president will be appointed after sacking John within 2 days. This group hints at Luciano Flero's appointment as president, whereas the other group rubbishes the news. However, High Command has not intimated the committee of any developments. John had initiated the process to dismiss party workers for anti-party activities during Lok Sabha poll.
After the Dahej mineral fiasco of Ranis, there is turmoil within the GPCC. A local daily reported that President of GPCC, John Fernandez, has been removed from the post. The claims and the counterclaims started pouring in. One group had demanded removal of John Fernandez as the GPCC president following allegations on Ranis in the Dahej mineral bribery case. This group says it is confirmed that John will be removed. Sources said a complaint has reached High Command and the decision on change of guard can come anytime. Sources close to Falero say he is the contender for the key post and the announcement could come on his birthday on 26th August. However, second group has rubbished these developments. Group from the GPCC claims that the report on John's removal is planted. GPCC has released a press communique stating that the news is fake. It says if High Command orders any change, GPCC would inform the media. Prudent tried to contact Congress leader Chela Kumar in Delhi. He said John's issue is a matter to be handled within the Congress party. Chela Kumar did not confirm any development, nor he denied report on John's removal.
See, what is internal matters, I won't be able to discuss with the media.
कोई डिसीजन हुआ है सर?
This is a totally purely an internal matter of that party.
कुछ तो डिसीजन हुआ है क्या नहीं हुआ है इतना तो कंफर्म कीजिए.
No. See, I won't be able to tell anything. This is an internal matter of the organization, party.
Okay.
So, there is no comment from my side.
ओके मगर कुछ तो जॉन के खिलाफ जो आपको पेटिशन मिला, जॉन के खिलाफ जो आपको कंप्लेन मिला था गोवा से.
No comment from my side, please.
Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.